Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn MS Excel. I know today I am going out of the way. Today my video will be on Google Classroom. You will be wondering why? So I'll tell you. One of my subscriber asked me and mailed me to make a video on Google Classroom. So here I am with the video. Before getting into the video, I would like to say if you have a laptop or a PC at your home, just go to the Google and type Google Classroom, or if you have phone, you don't have laptop or PC with you, you can just download Google Classroom app through Play Store. It's easily available and it's totally free. So, let's get started. You advantages of using Google Classroom rather than to use any other application for creating your classroom group. So first and the foremost advantages is it gives exposure both to the student as well as to the teacher to use online platform. And the second and the foremost is easy access to material. You know, generally we delete our PDFs, we delete our media on WhatsApp just to save our mobile storage. So on Google Classroom, it's not like that. All the material that is being uploaded on the Google Classroom gets saved on our Google Drive. So you can access your material at any time, anywhere. And third point is you cannot lose any of your data. The data that is being sent by the teacher or that students send at the Google Classroom group is not deleted by anybody. So these are the advantages of using Google Classroom rather than to use any other platform. How to create a class on Google Classroom? Simply go on Google and type Google Classroom, or if you don't have laptop or PC at your home, you can download Google Classroom app through App Store, and if you are on an iOS device, you can also use this Google Classroom app absolutely free. So to create a class on Google Classroom, just see at the top right corner there is a plus sign. Simply click on this plus sign and click on create class. After clicking on create class, just accept the terms and condition and click on continue. Then a dialog box will appear. It will be this box will be asking you about classroom name, section, subject or room. Then write the name you want to give to the class. Simply I am here writing science class. And name of the section, for example, if a teacher teaches a section, so he or she will write a section and the subject. Which subjects are you making Google Classroom? For example, you are making Google Classroom for your maths class, for your chemistry class, for your science, any subject you can write. For example, here I'm just writing physics. And then simply just click on create. And after clicking on create, you have to wait for a few seconds and then Google Classroom will be created for a science class. After creating the class, what teachers have to do is simply he or she can copy this code and send this code to the students either on the WhatsApp group or through the mails. Or what else a teacher can do is simply go to the settings and copy this invitation link. After copying this invitation link, send it to the students, and if a student clicks on this invitation link, he or she will be automatically added to this classroom. So now a question arises, how to upload any PDF or any homework on the Google Classroom. For example, teacher wants to convey a message that tomorrow your class is at 8 a.m. or tomorrow your class is at 10 a.m. Simply what teacher has to do is click on share something with your class and write, click on got it. Next, click and write tomorrow your class is at 10 a.m. and click on post. And if you want to attach any PDF, for example, teacher wants to send their notes to the student, teacher wants to send the homework to the student, simply what teacher has to do is click on the add, and simply you have to add here. You can add anything, you can add photograph, you can add your assignment, you can add anything, and then you just have to do is simply click on post. And after clicking on the post, you have to wait for a few seconds, and your this comment will be posted to all the students that have been that are there in your classroom. So this was your video regarding how to make your class on Google Classroom. If you want me to share how to give assignments to the students on Google Classroom, simply ask me in the comment section, or else I'll make a new video on that also. So see you next time. Bye bye.